Hi everyone, I am Akash Umakan Biradar. In learning process of Java, in today's topic, we will learn about arrays. Array is very much important concept in Java. For if you want to print a single variable, we can take any instance variable x, y, z or anything. If you want to take two variables, if you take two variables int x and then y or so many, but if you want to take 50 variables, then we have to take 50 times a variable and we have to give the name 50th. It means we have to give 50 different names to that variable. That was very difficult, or that is very difficult to write the code and compile the code. If I want to give input of 50 variables, then if I have to write the code first 50 lines for to give input, and then another 50 lines to give output that code. That was very difficult, and for the code difficult for the programmer. That's why the major and main concept array is defined here. Array means the indexed variable or the indexed form or the variable of same number of homogeneous types is stored or assigned in a indexed form. Indexed form means matrix form. The same type of data types of different variables stored in a single variable, it's called array. By array, the huge number of values we can store in a single variable. By array, it is the main advantages of array, but the main disadvantage of array is its size is fixed. Because of size fixed of array, we cannot change it after we defined it. While declaring, for example, if I take an array of size 6, then there is limitations of an array. Only 6 times it can be achievable, or it can be take variables to store data. But if I want to add, or if I want to decrease the variable from that array, I could not, or I cannot do it, or I cannot access it. This is a major disadvantage of array. Now, array declaration. There are number of types of array declaration. First is one dimension, then second is two dimensional, and then after that third dimension. Now we go through one by one. First is one dimension. In one dimension array, for example, int array x is equal to new int array, and in the bracket size of array. It means in one dimension there is only one array and with the only one name is. The syntax of one dimension is data type array name, then bracket, then is equal to, then new, then data type, and then size of array. In one type here, one dimension. In two dimension, int double bracket, then after x or name of array name, then is equal to new int array size. This is two dimension. And then third dimension, and after all 7. Now in array declaration, first of all, think that in Java every array is, while creating array, there will be, we create the new object. Let's see the declaration. In declaration, we declare the array, or we create the new array by int array name, then square bracket is equal to new int, and then in square bracket the size of. Here we are creating new object of an array. Every time we creating array, there will be creating a new object. then as well as every new object there will be a class for that regarding to that object. There should be the class regarding to that object. Then JVM internally creates the class. For example, for int one dimensional array, there will be creation class half square, then in capital I. Creation of class name should be half square and capital I. For two dimensional int array type, there will be 2 half square and then capital R, and so on. How many dimension will be there? And for double, half square D, for byte half square B, for boolean half square Z. Here for byte half square B, but for boolean half square Z, and for short half square yes. This is the basic information about the array. Thank you.